that. Drag it over here. Enable notifications. And now anyone who's looking at my laptop can see exactly what I'm seeing in my Apple Vision Pro. Horrible intro. Horrible intro. Almost broke my MacBook. Hey guys, let me show you how to get your Apple Vision Pro to mirror to your TV or laptop. It's really easy. All you have to do is look up, get Control Center, and click that. And then you'll see Control Center, which is this icon here, just like on your iPhone. Make sure you have Wi-Fi turned on the top left. And then on the right side, you'll see this dual mirror icon, which says Mirror My View. Select that. And if you have an Apple TV, a MacBook, or a TV with Apple TV built in, select it. So I'm going to click Samsung Series 7. Mirror View unavailable when someone else has control of the view. Interesting. But anyways, you click that button. I think it's because I'm screen recording. Click that button, and then it'll show up on your TV, and it'll look just like this. Hold on. Cancel my recording. Make this go to my TV. You can see now. You can see that now it says Mirror My View to Admin's MacBook Pro, and that's my MacBook Pro right here. So I can see my Apple Pro screen, Apple Vision Pro right there. So if I click this, you'll see that it's doubling up. Watch, look at the laptop screen right there. If I want to open Apple TV, you see it on the laptop screen? Take that, drag it over here, enable notifications, and now anyone who's looking at my laptop can see exactly what I'm seeing in my Apple Vision Pro. Hope that helps you out so you can share it with your friends. Enjoy!